deep sigh is, something that one needs to do when everything is so heavy, everything is so fast that you cannot catch your breath. Something that I need to do after the two major exams, one video essay, this final speech that I have for this day. Something that I need to do after hearing all our musings, our reflections in life. Sometimes we have a lot of dreams that we want to do. When we wake up, in your mind, you tell yourself, I have to do this. I have to do this. Lalo na in this final season, I know that all of us have goals, exams, awards that we want to achieve. And for me, it's a sign of our will to live. A lot of us have this varying motivations of living. But whatever that is, hindi natin matatanggi na every time we wake up, I have to brush my teeth. It's a sign that in our minds we are acknowledging our purpose, our inevitable purpose in being a human, that is to live. But opposite of living, like the alpha and the omega, is something that is also certain of all the uncertainties. Like Martin Heidegger said, death is the only certain possibility that we avoid some points. But we have to acknowledge, no? If this speech now wasn't planned, wasn't situated in a sea of speeches that talked about death, about regrets, you would be surprised to talk about this. You would be wondering, wait, Orange, chill ka lang. Bakit nagtatanong ka ng ganyan? When I asked this in Google, it did not give me series of lists of possible answers to begin with. I typed, what if I never wake up again? You know what it gave me? Google is not human, but it's based on data of human aggregates, human experience, and therefore it gave me a response that is somehow like human. It gave me a human research. Binigyan niya ako ng number ng NCMH, National Center for Mental Health. It is concern for me, and honestly, it is concerning when one talks about the idea of death. We are conditioned that we have to live our life to the fullest, that we don't have to think much about it anymore. But as you can see, remember, no? Pumasok ako sa klase na to for the first time. I was 30 minutes late. And instead of getting questions from any of you, Sir asked me, what is the question you would like to ask yourself? And for a minute of stalling, of distracting you, explaining na, I'm sorry guys, late ako kasi napadaldal pa ako, it dawned on me. Two questions that I wanted to ask myself that reminded me of my will to live. Una, bakit nga ba ako gumigising sa umaga? Bakit pa nga ba ako gumigising sa umaga? And pangalawa, para kanino ba ako bumabangon? Bilis kami, di ba? Yes. My response to that is, I'm not sure. I'm not certain. Apart from the fact na I want to make an impact to others' lives. But now, you might be wondering, oh, so you have the will to live, Orange. You're asking yourself, bakit ka gumigising sa umaga? Pero ngayon, nagtatanong ka, paano na kung hindi ako gumising? It happens. Again, death is the most certain out of all uncertainties. And the reason why I'm asking this is to remind all of us that despite of all our aspirations, our dreams, our goals in life, we have a limit. Sometimes you don't have to reach so much na pag hindi mo siya naabot, madi-disappoint ka. I'm a failure for not doing this. For a day, hindi ko siya nagawa, and it happens to me all the time. And then, with that question, it reminded me of something na you don't have to be great. sometimes we just have to be good. And to be good is to be kind with others. Recently, I met someone who made me feel love in a different way. And I asked him, so, wait lang ah, why are you like this? Why are you so kind to me? And sabi niya, I don't know it. Yun ang sabi sa akin eh. Just have to be kind. And ano yung relation nito sa question na to na what if I never wake up again? Relating to our regrets, to our what ifs in life, and what if I gave a speech to my lola's funeral, what if I had 3 months to live? Remember that we are not a singular organism. We live in a society, I mean, cliche, we live in a society, something like that. But of course, yes, we live in a society where we have to interact with people, we make friends, we have a family, we make connections. And it is important to remind yourself that there will come a time that you will never wake up again. And ang tanong ready na ba yung mga taong nasa paligid mo? Of course, I will tell you, no, I don't think anyone will be fully ready with the idea that you're gone. Lalo na pag na mahal mo sila. But what matters is you give your all to them. Your time, your kindness. Sa mga kakilala mo, sa mga hindi mo kakilala, yun lang naman yung mahalaga eh. And you might say na, wait lang parang ang underwhelming ata ng final speech natin ngayon. Kasi, I thought this was grand. I thought this was something that would close or cap all of our speeches. And that is my point. I am here out of all of the complexities, of all the anxieties, of all the discoveries that we want to explore, to go back to our simple but noble goal in life. That is to be good. Not only for yourself, for others. Paulit-ulit siya. We hate cliches dito sa UP. Pag sinabi mo na ng something like that, I cannot remember any cliche as of this point, pero pag sinabi ng something like this, ay cliche na yan. Paulit-ulit na yan. But there are some things that needs to be repeated in this very cruel world. You know what? This is a vicious world. When I commute, siksikan kami. Para lang makapagunahan sa jeep. Sa tren, nagtutulakan pa. Nag-aaway tayo. We forget our simple but noble purpose. Again, that is to do good not only for ourselves, for others. I'm not asking you to be grand. I mean, nandito na sa mindset natin na we are UP students, we're much more special than others, and we can do better than others. But then, I'm not asking you to be grand. I'm just asking you to be a decent human being. Yun ang naman eh. And that, apart from that, you're a decent human being. You have a lot of things to do in life, but you have a limitation. But again, you will never wake up again. I'm not asking you to achieve great things. I'm just asking you to do whatever you can. Again, I will mention the person who gave me special kind of love. Parang kanta ni Sarah Geronimo. When he exerts effort sa akin, hindi ko naman hinihinga. Hindi ko nga hinahanap eh, nagugulat na lang ako. Nandiyan siya, may inaabot siya sa akin, may binibigay siya. And for me, nagtataka ako, do I deserve this? Pero sabi niya kasi sa akin, binibigay ko lang naman kung ano yung pinaka-best na kaya kong ibigay. It doesn't have to be like something that would exhaust your power, that would lose your individuality. Hindi naman eh. Again, just have to be human. Decent human being. And I want to end this again with a deep, deep sigh. To rest in this very chaotic world. For a moment. For a breather, no? Thank you.